Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I'm very happy to be with you today, live from Liers, our warehouse in the north of France, to present a new batch from Grover. Grover, which you probably already know, is a major retailer in Germany specializing in renting high-tech products to individuals. These products are generally rented for 1 to 5 years, on average 2 to 3 years of rental. Then the products arrive on the Stocklear platform for you. They arrive in different conditions, from new with original packaging to non-functional, including functional used. So carefully read the small blue bubble at the bottom of the cover photos to understand this quality definition. And to go further, you have an Excel file available with more details, all the product information line by line, and even comments on certain offers. Today we are going to talk to you about a lot for functional used in the robot vacuum category vacuum, and we will go over a sample a lot. Here you have right there several brands. We have Ecovacs, Dreambot, several Dysons. We just opened 2 products and we will show you what the functional used quality looks like on this type of vacuum. So already 95% of the products have their original packaging, which is really a good thing for resale. And here, compared to other lots you might have in clearance, there are quite a few accessories. So here already you have a pouch with the user manual. You have the main motor part. So there specifically, it is functional. There is the battery level, the LCD screen here that works, the button to Eco Medium Boost. So if I set it to boost, it should normally be more powerful. Indeed. So like this, you can clearly see the quality. So here it is fully functional. We can see that it has been used. There are signs of use. So clean it before reselling. You have several accessories, the arm, obviously. You have most of the accessories, at least the ones I know for Dyson. This is a broom, specifically for parquet floors. The small brush attachment, especially for cars. And the classic head from Dyson. The charging cable, case and cable. And I also saw that there was a replacement brush, a brush roll, almost unused. And here there are more accessories. This one for corners, I think, if I'm not mistaken. There you go, that's it. And one more thing, the wall mount. So here we have a product that is really quite complete. We opened it completely at random. So you have quite a few accessories. So you see it's fully functional. Now we will move on to an autonomous robot. From the brand, I said, Dreambot D10S. So here, same original packaging, generally in pretty good condition. The vacuum robot is here. So there's the little propeller blade. However, we see that there's no roller, the brush roller, the brush. So normally there's a camera sensor that is in good condition. No malfunction. I try to turn it on, but it turns on. So the lights turn on. In my opinion, they need to. Little welcome music. Here you have the charging station. I will remove this neatly. So I start with the accessories here. What do we have? We have a small replacement foam. We have a bag, vacuum bag, a second replacement foam. Here I feel like there's nothing. We really go into detail so you can clearly understand the quality. That I can remove. And here we have the charging station. With the cable. So here we see there's a small gap here, but it closes if we, quite simply. The cable is indeed there, and can we test the vacuum cleaner? Apparently, I think the app is not installed. At least that's what I understood. So it will need to be set up. But in any case, it responds well and the product turns on. Here we have the user manual. proof is that if I don't know how to use it, at least I could understand its use. So anyway, we took a little tour there. Two types of vacuums, a Dyson handheld vacuum that works very well with 95%, even 100% of the accessories. An autonomous vacuum also that seems to work, that turns on. There's just a small brush roll that we can't find. Either I didn't see it, but in any case, maybe it was removed for hygiene reasons as well. It just needs to be replaced. In any case, feel free to chat with us at the bottom right of the screen. We will answer all your questions. Also, make sure to enter a delivery address in your Stocklear account to get automatic shipping quotes. It's important. You will save time and you can get an estimate of the shipping cost that you will add to the lot price. There you go. We wish you very good auctions and see you soon.